Welcome to this video where we'll discuss the PenFed Gold Visa credit card. Whether you're in search of a card with low APR, introductory rates, and additional perks, or simply curious about what this card has to offer, this video is for you. We'll explore the various features of the PenFed Gold Visa credit card, from its annual fee and interest rates to its potential to increase your credit limit up to $25,000. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial advice, as we guide you through everything you need to know about the PenFed Gold Visa credit card. Low APR and introductory rate. One of the main reasons why the PenFed Gold Visa credit card is so popular is its low APR. With a standard APR between 11.49% and 17.99%, the PenFed Gold Visa credit card has one of the lowest APRs on the market. This means that you can save money on interest charges if you carry a balance on your credit card. In addition to the low APR, the PenFed Gold Visa credit card also offers an introductory rate on purchases made within the first 15 months of account opening. This means that you won't be charged any interest on your purchases during this period. This is an excellent opportunity for new cardholders to make purchases without worrying about interest charges. Moreover, the PenFed Gold Visa credit card also offers an introductory balance transfer APR for the first 15 months. If you have a balance on another credit card, you can transfer that balance to the PenFed Gold Visa credit card and take advantage of the introductory balance transfer rate. The introductory balance transfer rate can help you save money on interest charges and pay off your balance faster. However, it's important to note that there is a 3% fee that applies for every balance transfer made. Another benefit of the PenFed Gold Visa credit card is the potential to increase your credit limit up to $25,000. If you're a responsible cardholder and make your payments on time, you may be eligible for a credit limit increase. A higher credit limit can be beneficial for those who need to make larger purchases or want to improve their credit utilization ratio. It's important to note that credit limit increases are not guaranteed and are subject to creditworthiness and other factors. Annual fee and additional benefits. The PenFed Gold Visa credit card not only has a $0 annual fee but also comes with several additional benefits that make it stand out from other credit cards. First, the card has no foreign transaction fees. This means that you won't be charged any extra fees when you use your card to make purchases outside of the United States. Many other credit cards charge up to 3% on every transaction made outside of the US, making it an expensive affair for those who travel frequently. However, with the PenFed Gold Visa credit card, you can make purchases with ease and without having to worry about extra charges. Second, the card offers 24/7 fraud monitoring. This means that PenFed will monitor your account for any unusual activity or suspicious transactions. If there is any unusual activity on your account, you will receive a notification immediately. This feature helps to protect you against fraud and identity theft. You can also set up text or email alerts to notify you of specific transactions or balance changes. Third, the PenFed Gold Visa credit card comes with chip-enabled security. The card has a microchip embedded in it, which provides enhanced security when you use it to make purchases in person. This chip generates a unique code for each transaction, which makes it much harder for fraudsters to steal your card information. This feature makes the PenFed Gold Visa credit card much safer than traditional magnetic strip cards. Fourth, the card has secure remote commerce. This feature allows you to securely make online purchases using your mobile device without having to enter your card details manually. Instead, your card information is stored in your mobile wallet, and when you make a purchase, a tokenized account number is used. This means that your card information is never actually transmitted during the transaction, making it more secure. Lastly, the PenFed Gold Visa credit card also comes with a tokenized account number in your mobile wallet. This feature ensures that your card information is kept safe and secure when you use your mobile device to make purchases. With a tokenized account number, your actual card information is never transmitted during the transaction, making it virtually impossible for fraudsters to steal your information. Credit score benefits. Using the PenFed Gold Visa credit card responsibly can help build your credit score over time. The credit limit increase potential up to $25,000 can also help improve your credit utilization ratio, which is a critical factor in determining your credit score. By paying your balance in full and on time each month, you can establish a positive payment history, which is crucial in maintaining a healthy credit score. Overall, the PenFed Gold Visa credit card is an excellent tool for those who want to build or improve their credit score. Ease of use and accessibility. The PenFed Gold Visa credit card is widely accepted, making it easy to use for everyday purchases. It's also straightforward to manage your account and make payments with the PenFed website or mobile app. With the 24/7 customer support, you can reach out to PenFed anytime to get help with any card-related issues or questions. The ease of use and accessibility make the PenFed Gold Visa credit card an excellent option for anyone looking for a simple and hassle-free credit card experience. PenFed membership. To be eligible for the PenFed Gold Visa credit card, you must become a member of PenFed Credit Union. However, becoming a member is easy and anyone can join. Members have access to several benefits, including low loan rates and a wide range of financial services and products to meet your banking needs. In conclusion, the PenFed Gold Visa credit card is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a credit card with low interest rates and an introductory rate. With a $0 annual fee, this card is an accessible option for those looking for a budget-friendly option. Additionally, the potential to increase the credit limit up to $25,000 makes this card ideal for those who want to build their credit score or make significant purchases. The PenFed Gold Visa credit card is a reliable and versatile option for everyday use with various security features and perks, including 24/7 fraud monitoring and chip-enabled security. Overall, the PenFed Gold Visa credit card is a great choice for anyone in the market for a new credit card. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it has been helpful in your search for the perfect credit card.